Hey guys, it's me Leah and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can tell, I'm in a straddle right now and I am stretching. So you might be wondering what today's video is. It is how I stretch and how to do a back handspring. So I'm basically just going to tell you like how I stretch and then how I do my back handsprings and like teaching you through the process. So let's start with my stretches. For back handsprings, I don't do much. I just do some back flexibility and leg flexibility and like practice on keeping my legs straight and pointing and stuff. For my leg flexibility, I just do the splits, hold it for maybe like 30 seconds. Yeah, it's not straight. Oh, get on the line. Is that straight? Okay. So I just do the splits for like 30 seconds and I just make sure my legs are all rubbery. And I just do some high kicks too. I do them with each leg. This is my non-flexible side, so don't judge me. And then for my back flexibility, I do kicks for like to my head. So just like that. And I go as far as I can go. And I do like 5 for each side, but it's probably going to be a long video if I actually hold it for that long. But I need to do some more back flexibility, so I just practice my leg hold and like scorpions, I guess. So I go to the net, and I am horrible at balancing them. Oh my gosh. So, oh. I mean, that's not very I can go. But I just practice some arabesques. Okay. I think I'm done with back flexibility. Now I have to finish my leg flexibility. So I kind of just go like this. And it helps me get better to the middle splits because I'm kind of trying out. But I cannot do the middle splits. So I guess it's time to start my back handspring because I'm officially done with my stretches, backs and legs. Wait, I don't have more than one back play. So if you're wondering, this is how a back handspring looks like. That's a back handspring, and here's like I'm gonna show you like the different types of back handsprings. Here are the walk-into. Here are the undercuts. I'm not really good at undercuts. It's like technically when you do it, you have to like slide your hands through like and try to make it like super short. Here's like a far one. Like you have to like push backwards as far as you can. So like that was super far. I stayed a stick. I just pushed myself across the trampoline. So, we can start on how to do the back handspring. Okay, so I'm out of breath. So first you want to make sure you're not scared of like falling on your back, like, because once you learn the back handspring, you're not really going to be like used to it. So you have to make sure you're really used to dropping on your back, like falling, because you're not going to get it perfectly every single time. So like, if you end up like, you have to be like prepared for that. So make sure you can fall on your back without like flinching or getting scared or falling. Just make sure you have that, and I don't know, you just have to like, you're probably gonna have like a mental block, but it's gonna like get like better like as you go. So just like all day, like practice dropping on your back, like just doing basic back handspring stuff. So what you want to do to get your wrists prepared, what am I doing with this video? I'm just doing wrists, back, legs, I don't know. But okay, section time. So wrists, you just want to make sure they pop because you don't want them to pop when you're like in the air or something and you like fall from your back handspring. So just shake them and they're probably gonna pop, but it's better. And then you just want to like twist them around, get them in a good position, and just stretch out your arms too, because you have to like push on your arms. So just go like that, make sure they don't pop in the middle of your back handspring. So then we get up, and here are some like tips on how to like get out of your mental block. So you want to start from down low and just go like that. It's easy. So if you don't want to like jump from here, then just start from down low and keep practicing your way up until you have. So if you have that, then we have to go to the next step, which is the actual back handspring. So you want to practice, you could practice these in like handstands. So I'll go to the net and do a little handstand. Oh, that was really bad. Bella, is there a squirrel? Okay. So I just do a handstand, and what I like practiced was a pop out. You have to practice pushing from your arms to your legs. So kind of like this. Oh, I fell. Like, oh my god, I can't do it. So kind of have to do like this. And I fall. Gosh, I can't do handstands anymore. Just like that. I don't know.
I can't really demonstrate it because I keep falling.
But yeah, you just need to practice pushing on your wrists to your legs, and then you'll get more power in your back handspring. So if yours looks something like this, you can't keep your wrists on the ground. It's better to land like this. And push to your feet. So it looks more professional and you look more powerful. So like, push. Not like this. Because you're like bending your elbows and it just doesn't look clean and stuff. So if you're at that point, like that, wait, I forgot a whole step. You have to learn how to actually get on. Okay. So you need to know how to do a back bend, obviously. So, oh my god. I can do a back handspring, but I can't even do a back bend takeover. I just lost all my like actual skills. So you have to do a back bend. Oh my god. And then you just want to get over. Wow. I just slapped my thigh really hard. And then you want to add like a little set to it. So like this. This gives me like a mental block type thing in my head. Well, like that. And then kick over quickly. That was really bad form. Then you want to practice kicking your feet off the ground like this. And you'll be like halfway done with your back handspring. And this will not take like 2 seconds. Like mine, these like tips may look easy, but mine took like 2 or 3 weeks, so, or a month, I don't know. But you need to do your set and just quickly jump off of your feet. And you'll have your back handspring. It's very easy. Just make sure, well, not very easy, like.
I wouldn't be able to do it.
I mean, because you haven't stretched in a long time, but you just have to believe in yourself, make sure you have all the skills you need to, and don't
always
just be like,
stretch before doing it.
Always stretch. Because if you stretch, one time I haven't stretched, I tried, because this was like a time like where I didn't have my back handspring. So, I like didn't stretch, and I tried doing a back bend kick over, and this is how it ended. Yeah, it happens to me all the time, and it's like normal, like literally it's normal. But just believe in yourself. yourself. I know you could do it, and back handsprings are probably like the easiest, like impressive skill, I guess. So just make sure you're stretching, doing the skills you're supposed to, and you'll be a gymnast, an Olympic gymnast one day. So, and I'm doing this on the trampoline. I can't even do it on the air track. I mean, I used to be able to do it on the air track, but I can't because I haven't done it in like 5 months. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and wait, that was a really short video. Should I add something? I just want to show you a new skill I learned. So, I've like learned my back handspring like in April. So, this is like how oh, Francesca's coming! Ah! Okay. So, here's a skill. And by the way, I learned the back tuck if you don't know, but and then a standing one. Oh, that. Okay. Well, then I learned like this layout type thing. I don't know, like a back pipe or something. Oh, that was a tuck. Ew! What am I doing? Well, I don't really know what to do, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, whatever that was. I don't know, but I hope you guys get your skills, and I will post more videos like this just in case, and the leaves are getting in my face. But comment down below. Well, comments are disabled. Well, comment down below on whatever social media. Instagram. What skill you want to learn? Because here, I'm gonna just show you the skills I know, and people could be like, ugh. And you guys can like pick a skill you want to learn. And I am a slug right now, but.
Francesca, what are you doing?
Okay, well, gymnastics featuring a pole lady. Thank you. Okay, well, here's a back handspring. Here's Lola, and Lola. Hey! No! Oh my gosh, she's gonna push you off. Here's a ROBLOX. Lola.
Okay, Bella, it's okay.
Okay, and then here's the back handspring. Well, here's the back tuck.
It's okay, Bella.
Aerial. Bella, you're ruining my video. And so you. What did I?
Okay.
I died, guys. You just murdered Francesca.
She's like, stop barking during Leah's video.
And then here is a round off back handspring. Here's a round off back tuck. Oh my gosh. That was so scary. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my skills and whatever that was. I love you guys. Thank you for watching my wackadoodle show. And oh my god. No.
And see you next time.
And see you next time. Bye, yo. Bye.